Assalamualaikum, welcome to Maths online class. Hope you will be fine at home. I am Miss Anna. This is your Maths book of class 2. Today we will do unit number 2, exercise number 17, page number 25. Let's start. I am solving this question in practice copy so you can easily understand. Unit number 2, exercise number 17, page number 25. Question is, give the number that is 1 more than 578. Here you have to add one more number in 578. When more is 18, so you have to plus one number or add one number in given number. Okay. When we will add one more number in 578, so the answer will be 579. Okay. Now I am telling you another method. You can do this directly or you can do this by using this method. Okay, here I am writing 578, so you have to add one more number. Okay, so we will add one more, so you have to put the plus sign here. Now 8 and 1 is equal to 9. We will write here 7 and 5. The answer is 579. You can see same answer is written here. So you can use this method too. Okay, you can do this directly or you can solve this question like this. Okay, now the second one is 1 more than 799. So when we will add one more number in 799, so the answer will be 800. Okay, now here 1 less than 650. Here you have to deduct one number from 650. Okay, because less is written here. So when we will write one less number of 650, the answer will be 649. I am writing here 650 and you have to deduct one number. So you can see here 0 means nothing. You cannot minus any number from 0 because 1 is greater than 0. So you cannot minus one number from 0. First of all, you have to carry one number from the 5. Remaining number is 4. Now here is 10. When we will deduct one number from the 10, the answer will be 9. Here 4 and here 6. Now you can match this number 649 and here 649. Both answers are same. So you can do by using this method too. Okay. Okay. 1 less than 800. The answer will be 799. Okay, 1 less than 101. The answer will be 100. Now here you have to add 10 more numbers in given numbers. Okay, 10 more than 768. Now I am writing here the number 768 and add 10 more numbers. 8 means we have to plus the number. Okay, now 8 and 0, 8. 6 and 1 is equal to 7 and here 7. The answer will be 778. Okay, 10 more than 897. When we will add 10 more number in 897, so the answer will be 907. Here 10 less than 858. So now we have to write the number that is 10 less than 758. So I am writing here, I am solving the number here 758. Now we will deduct 10 numbers from this number. We minus 0 from 8, so answer will be the 8. When we will cut one number from 5, so the answer will be 4 and here 7. So the answer will be 748. Okay, 10 less than 505. The answer will be 495. 10 less than 200. When we will deduct 10 numbers from 200, so the answer will be 190. I am writing here the number 200. Okay, now deduct 10 numbers. Here you can see 0 are written here. Okay, so the answer will be the 0. We cannot minus one number from the 0, so first we will carry one number from 2. The remaining one is here. Okay, now when we will deduct one number from 10, the answer will be 9, and here 1 is remaining, so we can write here 1. So the answer will be 190. You can match this number 190. Hope you will be understand. You have to complete the page number 25, exercise number 17 in your book. Hope you will be understand. Thank you.